My secret to renovate the pots, the floor, the fridge, the bathroom, the sink, and more. To start our tip, I will start by adding a cup of disinfectant in a container. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me if you got the expected result. Then I will add the juice of a lime in the container and then I will stir well. This tip is very easy. Last goes few ingredients and in addition is very versatile. Perfect for cleaning your entire home. Then or add 100 milliliters of water. Finally, I will add half a cup of vinegar. And then I will mix very well with the help of a spoon. So that all the ingredients are added. This blend is perfect for removing even the deepest and toughest dirt, leaving anything looking new. Once this is done, I will transfer this mixture to a spray bottle. I will use a funnel for it, thus avoiding waste. Using the spray bottle will facilitate the application of the product, in addition to controlling the use. This way will yield much more. I'm sure your friends will start to ask you, what is the secret to keeping the house so clean and fragrant? Now our tip is ready for use. I never again had to spend money on those expensive cleaning products sold in the markets. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Lance Veronico from the Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This mixture is excellent for cleaning any part and surface of your home. In addition to having a strong decreasing effect, is very simple to use. Just apply a little in the place you want to clean. Rub and you will see the difference. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for having taught you. Even I was surprised at the effectiveness of the product when I first made it, just with a sponge. Without much effort, I can completely remove any dirt or even stains. The result is almost immediate. Just give a few sprays and the dirt begins to loosen on its own. The main purpose of this tip today is to facilitate the cleaning of your home. We do not always have plenty of time to clean the house. And after a busy day, have a product that works for any type of cleaning. And that is easy to use. Makes everything more practical. Because of all this, this tip has become routine here at home. I'm sure it will become routine in your home too. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.